I'm Dorothy Lee, Family Consumer Science Agent, University of Florida Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences, Escambia County Extension. Welcome to A Little on the Light Side. And today we're going to talk about heart health. In the month of February, we usually think about chocolates and we think about flowers and everything heart. But actually, the month of February has been designated nationally as American Heart Awareness Month. And so eating heart healthy is very important to keep our heart functioning correctly. So today we're going to prepare a heart healthy chili. So join me as we start our recipe. To get our recipe started, I've added a little bit of olive oil to our pan, and we're going to let that get hot, and then we're going to add some onions to our pan. I have about 2 cups of diced red onions, and we're going to cook those for just a few minutes until they're kind of translucent. And I'm going to save about maybe 2 tablespoons of the onions so that when we are ready to serve our chili, we'll have those that we can put on the top of our chili to kind of accent the flavor somewhat. So, oh, that smells really very good. That aroma of the onion and the olive oil is just wonderful. So we're going to stir around the onions a little bit until they become translucent. The onions are now translucent, and I have about 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, and we're going to add that to our pan. And remember, anytime that we use meat, especially poultry, we want to make sure we wash our hands afterwards. So I'm going to wash my hands. I'm breaking up the turkey, the ground turkey, into smaller pieces. Not real small, but we want to leave some of the smaller pieces to blend in with some of the larger pieces. Okay, all right, so we're going to brown our ground turkey along with our onions that we have just sauteed till they were translucent. Our ground turkey is browned along with our onions, and so now we're ready to add to our mix 2 cans of black beans that have been drained. Okay, and we're going to mix those thoroughly. Okay, all right, and I have 2 bell peppers that I've diced. I'm going to add to our mixture. Okay, and also a 28-ounce can of tomatoes that we're going to add in just a minute. And now it's time to add the spices. Okay. Tablespoon of garlic. I'm using the garlic that's in oil. Okay. I have a teaspoon of chili powder. Okay. 2 teaspoons of oregano. And 2 teaspoons of cumin. I'm going to add those and mix those together. Okay. So I'm going to mix thoroughly our vegetables and our beans and our spices and our meat. So all the ground turkey kind of gets covered with all of the wonderful spices. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to add a quart of chicken broth to our mixture. And stir that. Our next step is to add our tomatoes to our chili. Okay. And we're going to kind of stir it until it kind of combines with the rest of the ingredients. And next step is we're going to turn down our heat source to medium, and we're going to put the lid kind of tilted on our cooking pan, and then we're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. And then at the end of 30 minutes, we're going to remove the lid and add 1/4 cup of cornmeal to our chili, and put the lid, take the lid off and leave it off, and then cook it for about 15 minutes. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes, and then we'll have our heart-healthy chili. Our heart-healthy chili is ready. It is full of wonderful low-fat chicken broth, low sodium or sodium-free black beans, and a lot of nutrients. Quick and easy recipe for the holiday or for the heart-healthy month. I'm going to add a little bit of the onion that I chopped up on top here to add a little bit of extra flavor. And now we are ready to serve. For more information, contact the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences, Escambia County.